Good morning friends. Today we start chapter number 8, Measures of Dispersion. We see three types of measures of dispersion: range, variance and standard of deviation. Our first measure of dispersion is range. Definition of range is: it is defined as the difference between the largest value and the smallest value in the data. So we write here range is equal to largest value minus smallest value, which is equal to L minus S. We solve examples of range. First example is find the range of the following data: 575, 609, 335, 280, 729, 544, 852, 427, 967 and 250. So first of all we'll write largest value and smallest value. So write down solution. In solution here largest value is equal to L and that value is 667. We write here smallest value. Smallest value is denoted by S and which is equal to 250. We write here formula. Range is equal to largest value minus smallest value, which is equal to largest value is 967 minus 250, and when we take subtraction we get here 717. Therefore range is equal to 717. We solve next example. We have given classes and frequency. This is group data. Classes are 62 to 64, 64 to 66, 66 to 68, 68 to 70 and 70 to 72. And frequencies are 5, 3, 4, 5 and 3. And we have to find range. So we first of all write down here highest class. Highest class is 70 to 72. From this highest class, upper limit is equal to 72. Then we write here lowest class of this example. Lowest class is 62 to 64. So we write here S is equal to lowest value or lowest limit. Lowest limit of this class is 62. So we write down here range. Range is equal to L minus S is equal to L is 72 and smallest value is 62. 72 minus 62 is equal to 10. Therefore range of this example is 10. Okay, these are examples of range. We see our next measure of dispersion, variance. To find out variance, we write down formulas of variance, but we know that there are three types of data: raw data, ungrouped data and group data, which is also called as ungrouped frequency distribution and group frequency distribution. So we first of all write down formula for raw data to find out variance. Variance is equal to variance of x is equal to sigma square, which is equal to 1 upon n summation I varies from 1 to n xi minus x bar bracket square. When we simplify xi minus x bar bracket square, we get, or we write another formula to find out variance is sigma square is equal to 1 upon n into summation I varies from 1 to n xi square minus x bar square. So this is formula for raw data to find out variance. Similar way, our third measure of dispersion is standard deviation. What is formula to find out standard deviation? Standard deviation which is denoted by S dot G, or its notation is sigma. So standard deviation which is equal to sigma, which is nothing but under root of variance of x. Next, variance and standard deviation for ungrouped and group frequency distribution is variance and standard deviation for ungrouped and group frequency distribution is variance of x is equal to sigma square is equal to 1 upon n summation I varies from 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar bracket square, or variance of x is equal to sigma square is equal to summation I varies from 1 to n fi into xi square divided by capital N minus x bar square, where x bar is nothing but mean, and formula to find out mean is equal to summation I varies from 1 to n fi into xi divided by capital N, and capital N is equal to summation I varies from n fi, summation of fi, which is nothing but total number of frequencies, which is called as n. And formula to find out standard deviation, which is denoted by sigma, is equal to under root of variance of x. हे फॉर्म्युलेज आहेत. अनग्रुप आणि ग्रुप फ्रिक्वेन्सी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन असेल तर हे फॉर्म्युले आपण यूज करणार आहोत, आणि रॉ डाटासाठी हे दोन फॉर्म्युले यापैकी कोणताही एक फॉर्म्युला आपण यूज करणार आहोत. सो वी सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल्स टू फाइंड आउट व्हॅरियन्स अँड स्टँडर्ड डेविएशन. Find variance and standard deviation for the following set of numbers. We have given numbers 7, 11, 2, 4, 9, 6, 3, 7, 11, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 8, 8, 2 and 6. We know that this data is raw data. So to find out variance and standard deviation, we use formula for raw data. So first of all we find out, or first of all we write down values of xi. So values of xi are 7, 11, 2, 4, 9, 6, 3, 7, 11, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 8, 8, 2 and 6. We write here xi. So we find out summation of xi. Summation of xi म्हणजे आपल्याला या सर्व xi ची, या सर्व नंबरची ॲडिशन घ्यावी लागेल. ज्यावेळेस आपण या नंबरची ॲडिशन घेणार आहोत तर यांची ॲडिशन आपल्याला येणार आहे 108. ओके, सो वी फाइंड आउट summation of xi. Summation of xi is 108. Next, we have to find mean, that means x bar. Mean is equal to x bar, and formula to find out mean is a summation I varies from 1 to n of xi divided by total number of observation, that means n. See, in this example summation of xi is 18, and how many observation? When we count all these xi's, then these observations are 18. So we write here summation of xi is 108 and total number of observations are 18. So divide 108 by 18, we get here 6. That means mean of this example is 6. So we find out xi minus x bar. xi minus x bar फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला प्रत्येक xi मधून x बार आहे आपला 6, तो सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करावा लागेल. सो 7 minus 6 which is equal to 1. 11 minus 6 5. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2. 9 minus 6 3. 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 7 minus 6 1. 11 minus 6 5. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 5 minus 6 minus 1. 8 minus 2 6. 8 minus 6 2. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 6 minus 6 0. 8 minus 6 2. 8 minus 6 2. 2 minus 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 6 0. So next we find out xi minus x bar bracket square. That means we have to take square of this column. 1 square is 1, 5 square 25, minus 4 square 16, minus 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 0 square 0, minus 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 5 square 25, minus 4 square 16, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, minus 3 square 9, 0 square 0, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, minus 4 square 16 and 0 square 0. So find out summation xi minus x bar bracket square. That means we have to take addition of all these numbers. When we take addition of all these numbers, we get 144. Okay, this is summation of xi minus x bar bracket square. We get 144. We write formula of variance. Variance is equal to summation I varies from 1 to n xi minus x bar bracket square divided by n. From column or from table we get summation of xi minus x bar bracket square is equal to 144 and total number of observations are 18. So variance is equal to sigma square is equal to 144 upon 18. So we get here value 8. That means variance is equal to sigma square, which is equal to 8. Okay, so find out standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to under root of variance of x, which is equal to under root of 8, and 8 can be written as 4 into 2, and square root of 4 is 2, and we write here root 2. Therefore we get here standard deviation which is denoted by sigma is equal to 2 root 2. So this is solution. आपण एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आपल्याला जर लेंदी नको असेल तर आपण काय करतो तर ही कन्सेप्ट यूज करतो, शिफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन अँड चेंज ऑफ स्केल. यामध्ये काय करतो की आपण असा यू डिफाईन करतो की एक्स मधनं ए सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करतो आणि त्याला एचनं डिवाइड करतो आणि त्यानंतर व्हॅरियन्स फाइंड स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन फाइंड करण्याचा फॉर्म्युला असतो सिग्मा एक्स इज इक्वल टू एच इंटू सिग्मा यू. सो हा जो का शिफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन अँड चेंज ऑफ स्केल आहे तो आपण एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना यूज करणार आहोत, जेणेकरून आपले कॅल्क्युलेशन्स काय होतील तर स्मॉल नंबर्समध्ये आपल्याला करता येतात. Our next example is compute variance and standard deviation for the following data. Exercise given to us 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and FIs are 8, 10, 10, 7, 6, 4, 3, 4, 2, 6. To find out variance and standard deviation, we compute this table. So we write down first of all exercise. Exercise are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, and FIs given to us 8, 10, 10, 7, 6, 4, 3, 4, 2 and 6. ओके, कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आपल्याला जर थोडे स्मॉल याच्यामध्ये करायचे असेल तर आपण काय करतो, तर चेंज ऑफ स्केल आणि शिफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिनचा यूज करतो. त्यासाठी आपला फॉर्म्युला आहे UI इज इक्वल टू XI मायनस A अपॉन H. ह्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपण A घेणार आहोत 10. एक्साइज मधली एक व्हॅल्यू आपण इन बिटवीन मिडल यूज करतो. सो वी टेक व्हॅल्यू इज 10. यू कॅन टेक 12 ऑल्सो और वॉट एव्हर एक्साइज मधली तुम्ही व्हॅल्यू घेऊ शकता. सो वी टेक हियर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ A इज 10 अँड सपोज वी टेक H इज इक्वल टू 2 and H is equal to 2. Suppose H is nothing but a difference. See, difference between this exercise. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. So we take difference which is nothing but H which is equal to 2. आपण आता A 10 आणि H 2 घेतल्यानंतर एक्साइज मध्ये काय चेंज होईल. एक्साइज जर आता फर्स्ट घेतला 2, एक्साइज 2, A is 10. That means 2 minus 10 is nothing but minus 8 and minus 8 upon 2 which is equal to minus 8. 4 minus 10 which is equal to minus 6 and minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3. 6 minus 10 is 4 and 4 upon 2 is minus 2. 8 minus 10 is minus 2 and minus 2 upon 2 minus 1. 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 upon 2, 0. Next, 12. 12 minus 10, 2. 2 upon 2, 1. Next, 14 minus 10 is 4. 4 upon 2, 2. 16 minus 10, 6. 6 upon 2, 3. 18 minus 10, 8. 8 upon 2, 4. And 20 minus 10, 10. And 10 upon 2 is 5. Okay? We get UIs. After that we find out FI into UI. That means आपण FIs आणि UI यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेणार आहोत. 8 8 जा here 10 minus 2 is 8 and 8 upon 2 is here 4. Okay, so 8 4 जा 32 and minus sign is there, so we write here minus 2. 10 into minus 3 is minus 30. 10 into minus 2 is minus 20. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. 6 into 0 is 0. 4 into 1 4. 3 into 2 6. 4 into 3 is 12. 2 into 4 is 8. 6 into 3 is 30. Okay, then we require this FI into UI, summation of this column. So we take addition of this. When we take addition of this column, we get here minus 29. Okay, next we have to find FI into UI square, and FI into UI square is nothing but FI into UI into UI. म्हणजेच आपण हा जो काही FI into UI कॉलम आहे त्याला आपण ह्या UI ने काय करूया, मल्टिप्लाय करूया. ओके, सो minus 4 into minus 32, minus minus positive, we get here value 128. Minus minus plus 3 into 30 is 90. Minus 2 into minus 20 is 40. Minus 1 into minus 7 is 7. 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. So 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 12 is 36. 8 into 4 is 32. And 5 into 30 is 150. Take sum of this column. So we write here summation of FI into UI square. When we take sum of this column, we get here 499. Okay. We require mean of this example. So we find out mean. Therefore, u bar is equal to summation of fi into ui divided by summation of fi. Okay, summation of fi into ui is minus 29 and summation of fi, we require summation of fi, so we take addition of these frequencies, so we find out summation of fi is equal to 60. Value of summation of fi is 60. Divide minus 29 upon 60, then we get here minus 0.4833. We get here mean. Okay. Next, we write down formula of variance. Variance is equal to sigma u square is equal to summation fi into ui square divided by summation of fi minus u bar square. Okay, we know that summation of fi ui square is 499 divided by summation of fi is 60 minus u bar is minus 0.4833. We take square, then when we divide this, we get here 8.3167 minus square is plus, and when we take square, we get here 0.2336. Take subtraction, we get variance is 8.0831. This is variance, which is equal to sigma u square. Okay. Next, you have to find variance of x. So we write here variance of x is equal to sigma x square, and we know relation sigma x square is equal to h square into sigma u square. Okay, where h is equal to 2. We write here h is equal to 2 square into u sigma u, variance is nothing but 8.0831. 2 square is 4 into 8.0831, which is equal to 32.33. This is variance of x. Okay, next we have to find standard deviation. Standard deviation of x is nothing but take square root of variance of x. We know that variance of x is 32.33 and take square root. We get here square root of 32.33 using log table, we get value 5.69. This is standard deviation. Therefore, variance of this example is 32.33 and standard deviation is equal to 5.69. Okay.